Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into something that feels like magic. I'm talking about 5 free AI tools in 2025 that are so powerful you won't believe they're completely free to use. Whether you're a student trying to write an essay in seconds, a content creator building thumbnails, or even an entrepreneur running a business, these tools will literally save you hours of work every single day. And stick around till the end because I've got a surprise bonus tool that might just blow your mind. Tool 1, ChatGPT free version with GPT-4/5 access. Explain how most people think you need to pay, but OpenAI offers a free plan with GPT-4/5 access in limited mode. Show how it can write scripts, generate ideas, summaries, etc. Demo, typing a short prompt and showing output. Why it feels like magic. It's like having a 24/7 personal assistant who never gets tired, and it's free. Tool 2, Cactus.ai, Essay plus Homework Helper. Students use it for essays, citations, and problem solving. Demonstrate how you paste a question and get instant answers with sources. Emphasize academic productivity with a disclaimer, use responsibly, don't just copy-paste. Why it feels like magic. It can write an entire 2,000-word essay with references in under 10 seconds. Tool 3, Murph.ai or Play.ht, free voice generator. Free tier lets you create natural human-like voiceovers, use cases, YouTube videos, presentations, podcasts, demo, type text, generate professional audio. Why it feels like magic. Before you had to hire a voice actor. Now a free website does it instantly. Tool 4, Canva AI Magic Studio, Image plus Design. Free Canva account now comes with AI features, text-to-image, AI presentations, video templates. Show how easy it is to create thumbnails, banners, resumes. Why it feels like magic. Graphic designers used to charge $50 to $100 for the same result. Tool 5, Runway ML, free AI video generator. Runway offers free minutes for video editing, text-to-video, background removal. Demo, turn text into a cinematic video clip. Why it feels like magic. It's like Hollywood studio editing, right in your browser, free. Bonus tool, Perplexity AI, AI search engine. Better than Google for quick research, provides instant answers with citations. Great for content creators, students, or professionals. Why it feels like magic. Feels like cheating when you can find information so fast. So those were my top 5 free AI tools in 2025 that honestly feel like magic to use. Each of these tools can save you hours of work, boost your productivity, and help you create content that looks professional, all without spending a dime. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try. And remember, technology is only powerful if you actually use it. So go try these out today.